In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a double underline in Microsoft Word. Double underlining is a useful formatting feature that helps emphasize important text, such as headings, totals, or key information in a document. It gives a stronger visual impact compared to a single underline and is commonly used in formal or professional documents. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer and load the document where you want to apply the double underline. Once your document is ready, highlight the text that you want to format. This could be a word, a sentence, or even an entire paragraph depending on your needs. After selecting your text, go to the Home tab located on the ribbon at the top of your screen. In the font group, look for the Underline button, which is represented by a letter U with a line beneath it. Instead of clicking it directly, click the small drop-down arrow next to it. This will open a list of different underline styles that you can apply to your text. From the list, select the option labeled Double Underline. As soon as you click it, the selected text will be formatted with a double line underneath. This method is quick and allows you to visually choose the underline style you prefer. Another way to apply a double underline is by using the Font dialog box. Highlight your text, then right-click and select Font, or click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the font group in the Home tab. In the Font dialog box, locate the Underline Style drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Double Underline from the available options. Then click OK to apply the formatting. This method is helpful if you want to adjust additional font settings at the same time, such as size, color, or effects. If you ever want to remove the double underline, simply highlight the text again. Go back to the underline options and select None. This will return your text to its normal appearance. Using double underlines can make specific parts of your document stand out, but it's best to use them sparingly to maintain a clean and professional look. Overusing formatting can make your document harder to read. And that's it. You now know how to draw a double underline in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.